One of the best ways to make money on Telegram is by running members-only groups or channels on Telegram. With this method, you can monetize any content in Telegram. You can monetize podcasts, even sell online courses. I'm going to teach you how you can use a service like Invite Member and create a simple bot in Telegram and make money. You can launch this within 5 minutes. It has lots of features, and I'm going to take you through all these features and create a simple bot and help you monetize content in Telegram. It is very simple. In just 3 simple steps, getting started, you launch and you get paid. Let's go through some of the features of Invite Members. It is very simple to install. It accepts and process credit and debit card, cryptocurrencies. It can add and remove users into and out of a group. I mean Telegram group or channels. It is very flexible when it comes to its subscription plans. It has the free plan, it has the premium, and some other plans that you can enjoy. It has also reminders, that can help you renew all your subscriptions. It is very simple. You can create a bot, a Telegram bot, without knowing coding. It is just simple, drag and drop, and you are good to go. You can also make money with this platform through their affiliate program. It is very simple. So the plans are the free tier, which is $0 per month. You don't have to pay any money. And this is the tier that we're going to use in today's tutorial. You can use this and make lots of money, because using this model of business, what happens is that if you have any course or you have any video content, audio or even image content or a simple text content, you can monetize and you get people to pay to be a part of that group and enjoy the content. It is very simple. You can accept payment into Telegram using Invite Member bots. It is very simple, and I'm going to take you through this. Watch this video to the end. Never skip any part of this video so that you don't miss the action. So first of all you need to do is to click on Get Started. It will open the bot in Telegram for you. So if you've not installed Telegram, I will ask that you visit telegram.com, install Telegram either on your phone or on a desktop. So you open Telegram. So the first thing we want to do here is to create a project or add a project in Invite Member. So you just click on Add Project. It asks of the project name. You just type in the project name. This is supposed to identify the project that you're creating. Remember, we are creating member-only channels. So we just give it a money-making channel. And then you hit on your Enter button. So it asks you whether you want to create a paid channel or a paid group. There are differences in channels and groups. Each of them have their special features. But first of all, what we want to do is to create a paid Telegram group. You can as well create a channel, but for the sake of this tutorial, we just want to create a group. So you select one, so which is the paid Telegram group. So when you select the paid Telegram group, it will show you a short video here, and then you follow this to create your group. So just watch the video, what it is doing. You just need to invite or add Invite Member as an admin of that group that you create. If you have an existing group, it's the same thing. You just need to open that group and then you add Invite Member as an admin user of that group. So this is what we're going to do. We're just going to follow this video and create our first group. So you click on this new group and you type the name of the group. The name of our group is Money Making Group. For the sake of getting quality group members, you want to give your name, your group, a targeted name. This will help people find you and find the right content that you provide on your group. And so we're giving our group the name Money Making Group. After that, you click on Next. You will need to select members for your group. So in this case, we want to use this to add invite member bot, okay, to be an admin. So you just do @invite. So you just add invite member bot and you click on create. So this is it. We've created our first paid group, our first paid channel group. So it gives you a bit of things that the group can take. It says groups can have up to 200,000 members, persistent chat history, public links such as t.me/title, admins with different rights. Okay, so first of all, we have created our group and we've invite money as an admin user to the group. So this is the first. So now we have our group and we've added invite member bots as an admin. So the next stage here is to have a subscription plan, because we need to set up some payment plan for our members. So in the invite member page, you click on the menu. So on the menu, you can see here subscription. So on the subscription, it will tell you that you don't have invite member subscriptions. Invite member transaction fee of 10%. Remember, I told you that invite member has some payment plan, but we're going to use the free tier. So we want to click on start a free trial. So it will ask you of the name and then tell you to go back to the website and continue. So you click on open. Because you're going to accept payment, it's going to ask you to enter your payment details. But remember, we're not going to use the paid option. We're going to use the free option, and it is free forever. So if you don't want any confusion, you can go straight to the website and you look out for their membership plans once again. So they have this, the zero, the free tier, the starter tier, and the growth. So you want to get started with the free tier. So here you need to enter all your payment details. After that, you click on start trial. So the next thing to do here is to create a bot in Botfather. You need to create a bot, get a token, and link it to invite member bot. It is as simple as that, because what we've done now, the bot cannot communicate in our channel or group. So you need to create a new bot in Botfather. It is very simple. When you click on the menu, you see this new bot, my games, tokens. You just click on new bot and it will create the bot for you. So it's asking you, what name are we giving to our bot? Remember the name we gave to our group. It can be a different name, but let's be consistent here. So we can use the same name. After typing the name, you just hit on your enter button. So it says good. Now let's choose a username for our bot. So make sure that the username you're choosing has no spaces and it should end with bot. All right, so it says done. Congratulations on your new bot. It means that we've successfully created our new bot. So for the sake of this video, we want to end here. In our next video, we'll continue on how we can link this new bot to invite member bot. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our next video. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we bring a new video, you get notified. Don't forget to share this video for others to also enjoy. Follow us and watch the next video. Thank you for watching.